It's the beginning of a new year, so what wines will we try this year? While staples like Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, and Pinot Noir dominate menus and cellars, a treasure trove of uncommon wines awaits those willing to venture off the beaten path. This fun video covers our top 10 uncommon wines to try in 2025. Welcome to the Filipino YouTube channel, where we create wine education videos for beginners and wine lovers. Trousseau. Trousseau is a red wine grape variety that originates from the lesser-known Jura region in eastern France, where it has been cultivated for centuries. Expect to find aromatic notes of red fruits such as cherry, strawberry, and raspberry, earthy tones, herbs, and sometimes floral hints. These wines have fine-grained tannins with a firm structure, vibrant acidity, and a remarkably high level of antioxidants for a medium-bodied red wine. Examples can show a slightly spicy or smoky undertone. Fans of Pinot Noir will be pleased with Trousseau's similar shared characteristics. If you can find Trousseau, grab a charcuterie plate with cured meats as a pleasant pairing. Teroldego. Teroldego is a red grape varietal that is thought to be one of the oldest grapes in the Trentino Alto Adige region in northern Italy. Although it is considered a hidden gem, it is one of Italy's most historic indigenous varieties. The wines are bursting with intense aromas of blackberries, black cherries, plums, violets, and sometimes a hint of earthy or smoky minerality. They are typically medium to full-bodied, with moderate acidity, soft tannins, and flavors of ripe dark fruits, herbs, and sometimes a spicy or peppery finish. Higher-end wines can have good aging potential. Rosé wines are also made. However, they are much lighter and velvety and bursting with more perfumed fruit than a Provence rosé. Fans of Petit Verdot and Petit Syrah may also like Teroldego for its similarities. Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir is a rare red grape varietal from the Loire Valley in France and has been cultivated in the region since medieval times. This grape is very finicky to grow. It's susceptible to the soil conditions, has irregular yields, and the grape bunches are prone to rotting. In fact, it almost became extinct because Cabernet Franc proved to be much easier to produce and was easier to commercialize. The wines have a high acidity with low to medium alcohol and are made into delicate red, rosé, and sparkling wines in the central Loire Valley. Aromas of red cherries, strawberries, raspberries, white pepper, and spice abound. The tannins in the red wines are low, with a soft structure and gentle mouthfeel. The rosés are bright and light, bursting with pleasant acidity with strawberries and cream flavors and minerality. Try this wine if you like old world, cool climate Pinot Noir. Assyrtiko. Assyrtiko is an ancient white grape varietal that hails from the island of Santorini in Greece. It is considered one of the best white varieties in the Mediterranean basin. It grows throughout Greece with a unique ability to thrive in hot and dry conditions while maintaining a perfectly crisp acidity with a precise body and structure. Dry Assyrtiko expresses bright citrus aromas with lemon and lime, oyster shells, and nuances of honeysuckle. The palate is savory, bursting with acidity that transforms into flavors of honey and lemon sherbet, which leads to a long and satisfying finish. Assyrtiko wines are similar to Sauvignon Blanc, with many of the same characteristics, such as its refreshingly high acidity and citrus lemony flavors. Baga. Baga is a red grape varietal widely cultivated in Bairrada, Portugal. It is known for producing wines with high tannins, vibrant acidity, and excellent aging potential. Baga is a diva and is very precocious when it comes to growing it. A very late ripening varietal means that viticulturalists have to dodge the rainy conditions during the final ripening and harvest period. These grapes can be made into well-structured red wines that have a tannic grip to help them age for decades. Baga is also made into well-known sparkling wines and rosé. Baga wines have a complex nose featuring dark fruits like blackberries, cherries, and plums, along with earthy, smoky, and herbal notes. With age, it develops tertiary aromas like tobacco, leather, and dried flowers. It shares many similarities with Nebbiolo, so it's an awesome wine to try for lovers of Barolo. Furmint. Furmint is a white grape variety that originates from Hungary and is most famously associated with the production of Tokai, one of the world's oldest and most revered sweet wines. While it is primarily known for its role in sweet wines, Furmint is increasingly celebrated for its dry wine expressions as well. Dry Furmint is crisp and refreshing, with aromas of green apple, pear, quince, citrus, and floral notes. It often has a distinctive minerality with a vibrant acidity. These characteristics are why they are often compared to dry Riesling and Chenin Blanc. Sweet Furmint, as in Tokai, is rich and complex with flavors of honey, dried apricots, figs, orange marmalade, and spices, complemented by a balanced acidity. Tannat. Tannat is a red grape variety originally from Madiran in southwest France. However, Tannat has found its second home in Uruguay, where it has flourished, similar to how Malbec became a cult wine in Argentina. Tannat is unique as it contains some of the highest levels of antioxidants of any wine. It expresses notes of black currants, smoke, cardamom, licorice, and plums. This full-bodied wine is dry on the palate with tannins that are quite astringent, moderately high in acidity, and high alcohol. Tannat wines can be quite robust and have a great aging potential. Tannat wines, due to its bold tannic structure and dark fruit flavors, can be a great value choice for those who like rich Cabernet Sauvignon. Blaufränkisch. Blaufränkisch is a red grape variety native to Central Europe, known for producing medium to full-bodied wines with vibrant acidity, elegant tannins, and a distinctive spicy dark fruit profile. It is widely cultivated in Hungary and Germany. However, the leading producer of Blaufränkisch is Austria, as it is often referred to as Austrian Pinot Noir. Blaufränkisch is the parent grape of Gamay and Zweigelt. This red-colored wine is medium to full-bodied and displays robust notes of black cherries, dark chocolate, blackberries, allspice, and pepper. The tannins are firm and the acidity is refreshing. Blaufränkisch has the elegance of Pinot Noir with the tannin of Barolo. Listán Negro. Listán Negro is a red grape varietal native to the Canary Islands in Spain. It has since spread around the globe, notably in Peru, where it is used in the production of pisco. Primary flavors and aromas include red fruits like strawberry and cherry, black fruits like blackberry and plum, and herbal notes. Due to the volcanic soils found in the Canary Islands, you may find secondary notes such as smoke, mineral, and earthy qualities. Carbonic maceration is a popular technique for Listán Negro, showing floral, bright fruit, and banana aromas. Because of this, it is similar to a younger style of Beaujolais. Caberlot. Lastly, the number 10 uncommon wine we're trying in 2025 is Caberlot. Caberlot is one of the most intriguing and rare wines in the world. This is a very special grape that is believed to be a cross between Cabernet Franc and Merlot, and was first discovered by agronomist Remigio Bordini in the 1950s in a nursery near Verona. This grape is exclusively cultivated in the Tuscany region of Italy, and the wine is produced by a single estate, Poderi Conosciali. Caberlot combines the best characteristics of its parent varieties, Cabernet Franc's herbal, floral notes and refined structure, along with Merlot's plush fruit flavors and smooth texture. It is sold primarily by allocation, and much of it is reserved by collectors and top restaurants. And that's our top 10 uncommon wines we're trying in 2025. If you have a favorite unusual wine not listed in the video, please tell us in the comments below.